Some bizarre behavior in Westboro as a naked nighttime drive lands one man behind bars. Yeah, sounds like handcuffs were about the only thing that was wound up wearing on Sunday.
The police say he went cruising through local drive-thrus naked. 7's Alexander Field is live in Westboro with more.
Hey, Brandon, we can all appreciate the convenience of the drive-thru. You can get your coffee without ever having to leave your car. But in this case, the clerks at this Dunkin' Donuts say one customer got way too comfortable.
At a Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru in Westboro, it wasn't the order that raised eyebrows, it was the customer.
He ordered the coffee from the clerk, and then she noticed that he appeared to be naked. All he had was a coat that was over his waist area.
A short while later, a police officer happens to walk into the donut shop. That's when the driver comes back. Witnesses say this time he was totally uncovered.
He made a motion to the girl at the window not to say anything because he knew the police were inside. He saw the police cruiser outside, and he motioned to her to be quiet, and then he just drove off.
Westboro police say the officer followed the naked driver who headed to a McDonald's drive-thru. When it turned out to be closed, the officer pulled him over, was arrested. Police say he passed a field sobriety test, but that he admitted to hitting up other drive-thrus naked.
From what we were told, I guess he was getting self-gratification out of this. He was getting excited by what he was doing.
The whole episode, repeated twice, was pretty horrifying for the clerk who watched it happen. As for the customers, well, they don't even want to imagine.
Nothing today surprises me. So, I mean, it's disturbing. I'm glad I didn't see it.
I usually use the drive-thru, but I'm usually fully clothed.
Cold weather makes people do strange things.
Before he turned up at this drive-thru, police say the naked driver also visited a McDonald's Sunday night, and they say he has admitted to going to the bank without any clothes on. We're live in Westboro. Alexander Field, 7